Hello everybody, this is Kirk Schmidling, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can keep your computer running quicker and keep it tuned up. So the first thing we do is come over here and hit your start button. You want to left click this and then come over here to where it says computer and left click that and come on up to the top here where it has your C drive. You want to right click this, right click, and come down to where it says properties, left click, and that's going to open up this little box. This shows you how much free space you have and how much used space you have. And just a little side note, videos take up probably the most space on your hard drive, so if you want to clear up space quickly, you can get rid of and remove some videos that you might have saved. But okay, the first thing we want to do is come over here where it says disk cleanup. Left click, and this will calculate how much space you can save by getting rid of some of your temporary internet folders and things like this. So that'll calculate. And if you've never done this step, this could take forever. I mean, a long time, but hopefully it won't take too long. And it calculates, and eventually, there we go. It'll come up, and you can look over here in the files that are checked if you want to get rid of these or not. Recycle bin, I have quite a bit in my recycle bin. Temporary files, thumbnails, all that's good to check. These error reports, I always check that box too. Okay, come down here and click OK, left click, and it'll ask you if you want to be sure to delete these files. You click yes, or just left click on delete files, and that's going to go ahead and clean that up for you. There we go. So that's done. But now what else can we do? We can come up here to where it says tools, left click that, and a couple things here. You can defrag your C drive. I'm not going to do it now, but I just wanted to show you this. And this will take some time, so you click that, click down here OK, and it could take an hour or two, so this might be something you want to do before you go to bed at night. That's a good thing to do. Maybe once a month, keep your computer tuned up, and it puts all the files back where they're supposed to be. This one's also good. You click this. I'm not going to do it now, but when I'll kind of show you. Okay, check now. It changes your computer, and then what you can do is you want to actually check both these boxes. Okay, and if I hit the start button then it's actually set. But in order for it to take effect, you have to actually reboot your computer, and then it'll go in and it'll check all your files for system errors and correct everything. But I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to cancel out of this right now. But those are some things you can do to help keep your computer in order. Okay? And alright. So we're going to get out of this. I'm going to show you another little trick. Come down here to your little Windows globe again and left click, and right in here in this little box you want to type in ms config, CONFIG, and you come up here and you left click this, and you always click this button, yes. And this is going to help you eliminate programs from starting up when your computer is rebooting, because that slows your computer way down. So to do this, you come up here and you click this little startup button, left click, and this will show you all the things that are on your computer that are loading every time you reboot your computer. So you can choose to check or uncheck these columns over here, and So you see a lot of things I have unchecked, so I don't have a whole lot coming on my startup menu when I reboot. This is how you control this, so you can remove a lot that you don't want over here. And then after you've checked the ones you want, you click OK, and you're done. So there's some little things that you can do to help you keep your computer running quicker. And probably the main thing you can do is come over here to your control panel and click on where it says uninstall a program. And in here it'll show all the programs that you have on your computer, and you know how big they are and how big the file sizes are. But you can get rid of a lot of the things you don't want. Sometimes things will be on here that you don't want. You can remove a lot of these and save a lot of space. That'll help your computer to run quicker too. Okay? And another thing, let's say you're fooling around one day and you think something got loaded on here by accident. Well, the best thing to do is to come into this area in your uninstall program area and just look real quickly for the date. And you know, of course, this is the 24th of December. So you'd come through here and you'd look for something that got loaded on here on the 24th of December, and you can quickly find whatever you want to get rid of in a hurry. Okay? So that's it. That's your tip for the day. And thanks for watching. And everybody have a Merry Christmas.